Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. We are making Cajun fried oysters. For this recipe, you will need 16 ounces of oysters. Place them in a mixing bowl, and to season, add a 4th teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 4th teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. I'm using Texas Pete. Mix well and be very gentle so you do not tear the oysters. In another bowl that has a top, add 1½ cups of flour. We will also season the flour. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix to combine the ingredients. Add a layer of the oysters to the seasoned flour and make sure they are not touching. Secure the lid and shake. Once they are coated in the flour, you don't have to worry about them sticking to each other. Repeat the process if you have more oysters. In a 5-quart pot filled with 1 quart of oil, have the temperature set to high. Dust off and add oysters 6 to 10 at a time. After 1.5 to 2 minutes, they will be golden brown, crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Set them on a paper towel or cooling rack to let the excess oil drain off. Let them get cool enough to touch, then serve and enjoy. As usual, thank you for joining us at Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.